Here we are in the world's first 3D printed car. We have Peter Eelman over there. Jay's right next to me here.
There we go. We're going to do a couple of 3-point turns here.
Okay. I can hardly smell the diesel fumes.
I know. It's amazing. This one is a little bit of a tough one to get out of.
Last summer I was in the valley.
I think I can get it.
I took out a Tesla just to see what that was like, and I gotta admit it was pretty cool in terms of just having no sound and just having instant torque, you know, the electric motors.
How am I doing over there?
You're okay. You're okay on the side.
Yeah, straighten up.
You got it.
Now straighten. There you go. Clear on this side. Clear here. Clear here.
Ooh, it's tight. Can you go a little bit to the right, Jay?
Yeah, you're clear on this side. You got plenty of room on this side. Plenty of room on this side.
Just barely. Milli-inches.
Milli-inches.
All
right.
That's how we do it.
This is cool.